Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. Today, I'll guide you through how to make notes from YouTube videos. If you're a student who watches lectures or other videos to make study notes, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to share an awesome AI tool that can turn an entire YouTube video or lecture into study notes in just a minute. This is a game changer if you're learning from YouTube or catching up on lecture videos. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. And I've added some helpful tools and app links in the description box below. Be sure to check them out after watching this video. Now, let's start. To make notes from a YouTube video, first of all, open YouTube in your computer web browser. Once you are in YouTube, find and play the video you want to take notes from. Here, today I'm going to use this educational video to take notes from it. Now, look at the URL in the browser address bar at the top of your screen. Here's the cool trick. At the beginning of the URL, type study.new/ just before the video link. After adding, then press enter. Once you press enter, a new website will open. If this is your first time using it, simply log in using your Google account. It's quick and easy. After you log in, the tool will automatically start creating study notes from the video. This process usually takes less than a minute, depending on the length of the video. Once everything is ready, you'll see this type of screen. From here, just click on Create a Study Note. In just a few seconds, you'll have your study notes ready to go. The tool automatically summarizes the video content and organizes it into clear, easy-to-read notes. Now, you can easily read through the notes or copy them into an MS Word document or Google Docs, or even write them down in your notebook.